Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the very important topic of conservation. But what exactly is conservation? Well, let's find out. Conservation is about maintaining the delicate balance of ecosystems and ensuring future generations enjoy nature's beauty and benefits. An inspiring example of conservation is the recovery of whale species, notably the western South Atlantic humpback, from near extinction. Conservation has deep historical roots, stretching back to the 11th century, with examples found in religion, such as Taoism and Jainism. Modern conservation movements began in the 19th century, led by figures like Henry David Thoreau and William Morris, and established national parks. Conservation charities, like WWF, play crucial roles in protecting species and raising awareness, inspired by pioneers like Sir Julian Huxley. While zoos face criticism, they also contribute significantly to species conservation and scientific research. The focus of conservation has broadened to include entire ecosystems and biodiversity, highlighting the interconnectedness of life. Climate change adds urgency to conservation efforts, particularly in protecting vital carbon stores like rainforests. Balancing conservation with economic development in poorer regions is a challenge, often involving sustainable practices and ecotourism. You can support conservation by donating to charities, making informed consumer choices, and advocating for environmental policies. Conservation is key to ensuring a sustainable future for us and generations to come. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Until next time, let's keep our planet green.